Good morning, students. Let's discuss the most important chapter of our physics, that is gravitation. Gravity is matter's memory, it once was light. What gravitation is? What do you mean by gravitation? Gravitation, it is an attractive force existing between any two particles of matter, or the force of attraction which occurs in any two objects of the universe, that is known as gravitation. And it was Sir Isaac Newton who has discovered the law of gravitation and let us know about the gravitation. Gravitation and gravity. These are two different terms. Gravitation is force of attraction which occurs in any two objects of the universe. But gravity is force of attraction of earth is known as gravity. The unification into what become the laws of gravitation becomes a symbol of the predictive and quantitative power of science. And this law explain the motion of Mars, motion of planets. And what is this law? The universal law of gravitation, or you can say that Newton's law of gravitation, is that every particle of universe attracts every other particle with a force which is directly proportional to the product of their masses and inversely proportional to the square of the distance between them. What does it mean? That if there are two objects A and B having masses m1 and m2, they both are attracting each other with a force F, which force is directly proportional to the product of their masses, that is m1 into m2, and inversely proportional to the square of the distance between them. The distance between the two objects is r and the square is r square, but the distance is, it acts along the line joining their centers. That's why gravitational force is also known as central force. It is a weak force. Combining these factors, we get F is directly proportional to m1 into m2 upon r square. When we remove the sign of proportionality, F is equal to G m1 m2 upon r square, where G is known as universal gravitational constant and its numerical value is 6.67 into 10 raised to power minus 11 Newton meter square per kg square. This value is fixed and the capital G is known as universal gravitational constant. Why it is known as universal gravitational constant? Because the value of G remains constant throughout the universe, and this law is applicable to every object of the universe. That's why this law is also known as universal law of gravitation. And after that we will study about acceleration due to gravity of earth. Acceleration due to gravity of earth means the acceleration produced in an object when the object is falling under the effect of gravity alone, and the acceleration due to gravity is denoted with letter G, and G is having the constant value on earth, that is 9.8 meter per second square. And Whenever we calculate the relation between small g and capital G, it comes out to be G is equal to Gm by R square. And the next topic will be discussed in the next class.